ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಕ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ನಾಗವೇಣಿ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಗವೇಣಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಎಂದೇ ಸೆಲ್ವನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಹಲೋ,
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಾಗವೇಣಿ.
ಹಲೋ,
ಹೇಳಿ ಅಮ್ಮ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗವೇಣಿ. ಹಲೋ,
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಾಗವೇಣಿ.
ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ನಾಗವೇಣಿ ಅಂತ, ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್. 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸೈಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
Actually, for civil engineers, that too for a women, CAD Center courses are definitely will be useful. Primarily because you don't want to be a site engineer, you don't want to get into the construction sites. So what you should do is, for civil engineers there are a lot of programs. Being engineer, you can learn design, you can learn the structural analysis kind of programs. So you can become a designer, you can become a construction designer. So what you have in CAD Center, you can do a master diploma in construction design, where you learn the basic drafting, then you learn 3D modeling using product like Revit architecture. Then you will get on to your structural analysis using STAD or ANSYS. Both we teach. Then you learn project management and Primavera software. So it will be a start to end, a complete course. You will learn from 2D till how to manage a large project. So you will become a part of a large construction company. You can be in the design. You don't need to really get into the site offices. It's a little less pressure job, so it will be useful to you.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಚೇತನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೇತನ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೆಲ್ವನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
There is a lot of opportunities. In fact, there are two things I can share with you now. One is the national manufacturing policy has been announced. Okay. Like your SEZ, like software park, manufacturing zones have been developed by the government in the next 5-year plan. So India should become a contract manufacturing country, or you can call it as India will become the world's workshop. Lot of manufacturing is going to happen in India. So if being a mechanical engineer, you will have a lot of opportunity in mechanical engineering. This is number one. Number two is, there is something called engineering design outsourcing. Like your BPO, like other software development, there is something called engineering design outsourcing. Okay, this year the engineering design outsourcing revenue India has received as of now for about 9 months, it's about $9 billion. So much of work is coming to India. The estimated engineering design outsourcing work in 2015, it's about $16 billion. $16 billion translates into 80,000 crores. Okay, in 2020 they are projecting $40 billion of engineering design outsourcing work. So for being a mechanical engineer, there will be a lot of opportunities. This is point A. Point B, you will be paid much better than the software engineers. So you develop your engineering design skills, learn all the software relating to engineering design, and get ready for the opportunity.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಗಂಗಾವತಿಯಿಂದ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಂಜುಳಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೆಲ್ವನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಳಿ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಅವರೇ.
ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಗಂಗಾವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ D.Ed ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ 3 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ CAD ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
ಈಗ ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ?
ನಾನು D.Ed ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
D.Ed ಆಗಿದೆ.
D.Ed ಇಲ್ಲ, we don't have any program for diploma in education, right?
Yes.
We don't have any program for your kind of qualification, ma'am. CAD Center programs are ideally for engineers and diploma engineers and ITI people, and graduates who want to get into CAD in the sense draftsman's role. Thank you.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಲ್ವನ್ ಅವರೇ, ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ CAD ಸೆಂಟರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ they can get into one as a regular industry like your L&T or BHL or these kind of industry. ಅವರು ಇವರ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, this is one kind of job. Another in the new development is the design outsourcing.
Okay.
Like your softwares, BPO, a lot of from across the globe, lot of engineering design work has been given to India.
Okay.
Because India is the largest producer of engineers.
Okay.
We produce largest number of engineers to the tune of 10 lakh engineers every year.
Oh.
Okay, we produce so many engineers. So what happens is everybody understands English speaking engineers. Okay, so from across the globe we are getting engineering design work to India. So different kind of work, maybe engine design, maybe building design, maybe from different fields. Lot of engineering work is happening in India. For the somebody building a design in Australia, somebody making a building in Australia, the design happens here in Bangalore.
Okay.
Somebody making a machine in in China or France, the design happens here. Okay, so this is a new avenue of work. Okay. The engineering companies, then the design outsourcing firms. Another one is the software support. These are all lot of software companies recruiting these engineers to develop CADD software.
Okay.
Okay, they develop software, knowledge, they whatever the knowledge they have, they pull it together, they make softwares that will be used for other engineers.
Okay.
Okay, so there is a traditional job, there is a non-traditional new avenues opening up for engineers. Okay. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸೆಲ್ವನ್ ಅವರೇ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆನೂ ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಸೊ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹಲವಾರು ರೀತಿಯ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಹಲವಾರು ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಥವನ್ನು ಬದಲಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿ. ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಸುದ್ದಿವಾಹಿನಿ.